So today I have the chart of Roku up. Now this stock has been showing a lot of strength recently, so let's take a look at the chart and see where it can head from here. So Roku has had a huge fall like many other overvalued tech stocks that peaked in 2021 and spent all of 2022 selling off. I mean, look at that drop. Now the thing that sets Roku apart from, say, Disney or Netflix is that they are a platform and they're not so reliant on producing content like many of their counterparts. Now, they make a majority of their revenue from advertising, and as the economy improves, so should their revenue. If we back out on the chart, you can see this nice rounding base that has been forming over the last year, and this is a classic bearish to bullish reversal. So we bottomed at $38, which is an incredible 92% off of its all-time high at $490. And it's kind of crazy to believe that we were actually paying close to $500 for this stock at one point. Now there were a couple clues to let us know that Roku was about to make a move, and you can see the first one was right here. We reclaimed the 200-day moving average on high volume. After consolidating for a little bit, we ended up printing a golden cross where the 50 crosses over the 200-day moving average. That's a very bullish indicator. And then after consolidating for a little bit, we started to move up. Now, after we broke above the 200-day moving average on high volume, we have pretty much been riding this 50-day moving average as we have made this new bullish uptrend. Now, trend lines are one of the first things you should draw on your charts to help you understand which way the market is trending. Now, for the longer-term traders and investors, we can draw the trend line like this. And for the shorter-term traders, we can draw the trend line like this. Both are valid, and it just really depends on how long you plan to hold this stock for. So Roku right now is showing one of my favorite chart patterns, and that is the bull flag. And that's when you get a strong move up, followed by a period of consolidation, strong move up, consolidate, strong move up, and consolidate. And right now, it looks like we are building a nice base here for the next move higher. So jumping into the weekly, you can see the trend that we are in right now and those bull flags in a more simplified version. And if this pattern plays out, I think realistically that Roku can trade up to around $100, which is where the swing high was after earnings. And by that point, the 100-week moving average should have caught up a little bit. So 100 seems like a very realistic level. So one last thing, I really like the risk reward on Roku. I like how I have about 5 points of downside and about 20 points of upside. I love how I have support from the 50 and the trend line, and these are the types of trades that I love to take. Right now I am long October call spreads. Let me know in the comments if this is a stock you guys would buy and how you're trading it.